Go home happy with the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.